Hello friends, welcome to one of my quick tutorials. So today I'm going to be showing us how to create hover effects on in your Figma designs. So if you look here, I have my card component. I have this, variant. I have the variant here, and I have my on hover effect, and I have my default state. So I'm going to be showing us how I used the old method before we had the interactive components in on Figma. So for the old method, what I do basically is I'll just click on this card, then I prototype it to this, then I'll set this to while hovering, and I will set the navigation to open overlay, and I'll make sure that this is set to manual. I don't have to click I don't have to checkbox these two buttons. So I'm just going to go ahead and play this. Yeah. So if we see it's working. So when I hover, I'm seeing the shadow effects. I'm seeing the drop background. Yeah. So I'm just going to come back. So yeah, that's for the old method. Now for the new method, I only have to prototype this because this is my main component. These are my main components. These are invariants, and I have these cards, these different instances of this particular component. So all I have to do is just prototype this and set this to while hovering and set this to change to. Yeah, I can add I can make this instant or dissolve, but I would like to make this add smart animate, make this easy in ease out, and make this 50 milliseconds. So if we play this, it's going to I don't know. So if we play this, yeah, so this is it. So the Onova effect works on all the cards. Yeah, thank you. That's how Onova effect is created on Figma.